Hey everyone, Mr. Das here. Got another review for you from TOZO. These are the Open EarRing Bluetooth 5.4 headphones. I'm really curious to try these out. I like an open ear because I like to be able to hear what's still around me. I have a toddler, among other things. I tried, you'll see a review that I did previously for Snag, a version of these. I didn't like how those paired and the sound quality was kind of tinny. So I'm hoping for good things because I'm very happy with TOZO products in general. Pretty much everything they've sent me has been a quality Bluetooth for whatever style you're looking for. Um, Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I appreciate it so I can keep bringing some more content, and we'll go over it. So you can go out to Amazon. I'll leave an affiliate link if you'd like to use that. These are currently $40, but there's a $10 coupon, makes it $30, pretty much an impulse buy, and you can always return it if you don't like it. But the reason I'm really curious about these is the way they connect. It's an ear ring. So rather than going over the ear or around the top of the ear or an earbud in the ear, these kind of clip on to the lobe, like around the lobe area. So I'm curious to try them out. There's different colors. You can get in white, black, and pink. You can see those images off to the right, along with their video. Supremely comfortable, 5.1 grams per bud. 40-hour playtime with digital displays, simple controls, touch controls, IPX5 waterproof, skin-friendly silicone. They look like they're really nice and a different style to try. If you don't like things sitting on top of your ear, these may work for you as a good option. So yeah, the open ear ring versus the in-ear versus over earbuds. They're Origex sound and Bass Plus. But you are here to actually see the product. So let's go check that out now. Oops, wrong one. Beep. There you go. Now you can see this is all one take. No editing here. So these are the box you get. Pretty small size. TOZO Open EarRing. You can see the display there. QR code, features on the back. Everything you expect. If you just saw my review on the Crystal Pods, which I also just did, they had really phenomenal sound. They were also 5.4 and good noise cancellation. Now you will not get noise cancellation from these because it's an open ear. That defeats the whole purpose of an open ear. So if you're looking for noise cancellation, check out some of the other ones. But if you are looking for something that lets you hear your music while still being part of the world, then these may be for you. So in the box, open it the right way, you get a quick guide. You've got a user manual. You've got 24/7 tech support, TOZO, and the TOZO app, which we're going to go into. Ta-da! TOZO app. I need to clean my screen because nobody likes fingerprints on a screen. Okay, that'll be ready to go. And so also in the box, you get a USB A to C shorter cable here. And then you get the earbuds themselves. So we're going to do that. Off to the side, off with you. I'll go pick that up later. So here is the container. You can see, you can flip it open. Nice. And so the earbuds have a little, they were blocking the connection to charge. So I pull those out. And so yes, these are lightweight, like little dumbbells. Very light, bendy. You can see here, pretty stretchy. And then we can put that back in. Put that back in. You can see the case is at 100%. It should tell me the indicator on the buds themselves. Oh, we'll get into that. Let's go ahead and get this paired up on Bluetooth. So grab your phone, do your Bluetooth details, flip open the case, pop those bad boys out. Bam, TOZO Open EarRing. Pairing. Good. Oh, couldn't connect. Try this again. Pair. There we go. Now they're connected. Okay, so now I'm in the TOZO app here. That. And I'm going to do an ad to add these to the TOZO app. You can see TOZO Open EarRing. Bam. There they are. So now the TOZO app gives you a lot of controls and options. You can see the equalizer here. There are different modes for the equalizer: country, folk, so you can tailor your sound to your experience. You can also see it showing you the charge of it. You can check for firmware updates on the product. You can see different products, communities. TOZO has some AI stuff, which the Crystal ones popped up with these AI options. I'm not sure if these are compatible with that. But that's the app. Gives you a lot of options and features here. I need to log into that. But let's see how these actually fit and feel and sound. So we're going to switch cameras. Hello again. And now I got to figure out right and left. I believe. Yeah, that says, okay, so there is a little letter here that says L and R. So it just goes like that. And so with that, they're installed. To adjust them where they're comfortable. If you want them down lower, if you want them up higher. But they sit nice, and they're clipped in. Like, I'm not afraid that these are going to fall out of my head. But let me go ahead and load up a song here and see what they sound like. Because I know the Crystal sounded really crystal. But let's see how the pods here sound. So sound-wise, obviously you get more sound when you have an actual full earbud, but they're loud. Like, I can block out most of the rest of the world if I turn it all the way up. I can even turn it low, still hear them nice, still hear everything around me. They're comfortable. I mean, certainly over sometimes the ones that sit on the ear, kind of way down the ear, or can cause like an irritation. These really, their only piece that's touching is just the little back end here and the bud inside. Sound is good, better than the Sonag ones that I was using. I can definitely see these as having a place and a use with a different device or things that way. I do like the Open Ego ones. I think their sound might be a little stronger than these, but the Bluetooth 5.4 is a nice add-in if you're doing a kind of gaming or different things that way. So thanks for watching. Look for more videos, and until next time, make sure to hit that like and subscribe.